In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add multiple artboards in Illustrator. So let's jump right into this video, and without wasting any second. And I'd like to share with you a very strong reason why you should use multiple artboards in Illustrator. There's a very strong reason to use multiple artboards in Illustrator. That reason is it's going to improve to manage your efficiency and organizing your designs in one file. So instead of having separate files for each design, variation or iteration, you can keep everything organized within a single document. So now let me show you where you have to go. You have to go to New Document. Then here we have width, height, points, we have pixels, which one you want to select. But here, this is where you have to look at. We have to look at artboards. So here you can increase the number of artboards. You can increase from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as many as you want. I think the maximum is actually at 1000, I think it is, because you can about 8, 9, 19. You're getting new artboards will be created on large size canvases where the students are too big. So yeah, I don't exactly know how many artboards you can create, but actually I'm gonna look up 1 second. Okay, so with a quick search, apparently there's no practical limit to the number of artboards you can add in Illustrator when creating a new document. However, there are some things you have to keep in mind, which is your system. If you don't have a good computer, then don't add so many. But anyhow, I'm deviating, I'm getting sidetracked, because I suppose you don't have to add 100 artboards. So yeah, just add 8, 9, and then here color and screen high for me, and just create. Now we have here, as you can see, as 3, 6, 8, 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 artboards. That's how many we actually added there, as how many we wanted. And here you can also click on edit artboards, and you can add even more. So you can, if you want the exactly same resolution, please hold Alt and just drag. Now hold Alt and drag. If you want exactly the same resolution, that's how you can create a copy. How I entered this part to edit artboard and create, if click on Control plus O. Right over here you can see the shortcut, or you can click on here. We can click on artboard, and now we can create a new artboard. We can any dimensions we want, and here, as you can see, now we can just work. But also another thing here, pretty much interesting, I found, is if you go to File and then you go to Document Setup, here in Units you have edit artboards, but you also have here grid size. You can change to large. You can add maybe medium, grid colors, and you can simulate, and you can add it pretty much now any color here, just so you know. And now, as you can see, it's the color changed. Now I would like actually this medium color, like this. And if you only want to see the artboard, you want to crop the other part, you can go to view, and then you click on trim view, and that's going to trim when you add like a shape. You're not going to see the shape outside. If you click on here, now you're going to see it. But to trim, only to work to really hide the artboards, you have to click on here, hide artboards. You can also use the shortcut Shift Control H. So let's use the shortcut actually, Shift Control H. And now, as you can see, if you zoom out, you just have a huge artboard, or yeah, just have a huge canvas, I guess, and you hidden the artboard is hidden. So yeah, that's very available here. Other things that I can, other information I can share with you, so I can provide you as many information as possible about artboard in Illustrator. Is another one is that I found very helpful, and maybe there's something I didn't explain quite clear enough. So let's say you create a page with only one artboard, and now how do you add more artboards, more pages, if you haven't added any at the beginning? So you can go to File here and go to Document Setup and click on Edit Artboards. That's one way. Or the other way is that the other one is the one that I showed you before, which is you have to click on here. So if you click on here, use the shortcut Shift+O. Again, you can add artboards even if you started with one artboard. So yeah, that's something I hope you found it helpful. And another thing here that I think it's important to maybe repeat, probably I'm repeating myself, but I want to make myself clear. First, let me remove this show artboards. And now here, maybe I want to I have here some content, I created something here, and this is something I want to duplicate in Illustrator, right? I worked on a project and I want to duplicate it. You have to actually click on this, which is that one that I showed you before, is the artboard, Shift+O. Click on it, hold Alt on the artboard you want to duplicate. Even if it has content, you just have to hold and drag, and it actually duplicates the content as well. And this way, maybe when you are here, it's good to mention that you can drag and just position all the artboards the way you want. And this entire page, if I can call it a page, it's pretty huge, so you can add a lot of artboards. And you cannot, the canvas, there's some boundaries here. You cannot add it outside of there, but you can move it here. And if you want to remove some of them, you can move it there. You can just right click and copy and cut or highlight. Or you can select, hold Shift and select. And this way you can select way more than using Control. So Control you can use just selecting one at a time. But then you have to highlight it. I found it more helpful if I use Shift and then cut. Now I removed. The only artboard that's left is the first one. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave your feedback down below and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.